Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, thank you for the time and opportunity to me to present our research with the topic dormansi breaking of kimalaka seeds, varieties balakka at various concentration of sulfuric acid. The research author is Rasmita Adarina, Muhammad Nizar Hanafiyah, Hermadi Erwin, Jihadul Hadi. Introduction. The kimalaka plants grown in America, known as balakka by the people of North Sumatra. In English, is called Indian gooseberry and is called perkecambahan in Malaysia. The kimalaka plants is a commodity with great potential, one of which is due to the high content on vitamin C. So, the kimalaka plants has many health benefits. One fruit of kimalaka contains as much vitamin C as 20 oranges. www.helps.com. For every 100 grams of balakka fruit, found to approximately 600 to 103,000 milligram vitamin C. In the Padang 71, North Padang Lawas, South Tapanuli areas and its surroundings, the kimalaka plants is more widely known as a mixture of traditional cooking spices, with the name of the food being called halad. The problem of kimalaka in Indonesia, or especially North Sumatra, is the widespread conversion of land into smallholder plantation with commodities such as rubber and oil palm. One of the threats to the extension of the kimalaka plant. Kimalaka seed with a very hard seed coat is a factor causing kimalaka seed dormancy. There must be treatment to break dormancy. This study aims to see and observe the effect of various sulfuric acid concentration to break the dormancy of kimalaka seeds. Materials and methods. Allocation and period of the study. This research was conducted in the greenhouse, the Faculty of Agriculture, University of Geraha Nusantara, Padang Sidimpuan, in October to December 28. Material and equipment. The material used in this research were kimalaka seeds, sulfuric acid, topsoil, water, and sand. The tools used in this study were knives, trays, hose, wood, digital scale, radars, camera, and other stationery. Methodology. This research was conducted in a non-factorial randomized block design with different concentration of sulfuric acid and the same immersion time for 45 minutes. And the treatment of this study consists of four levels, namely control, second 44% sulfuric acid, third 6% sulfuric acid, and fourth 8% sulfuric acid. Observation variable in this study, namely percentage of germination in percent, plant height in centimeter, and the number of leaves in the strands. How about results? Result and discussion. Variable observation, germination percentage. Based of the analysis of science and continue with the 5% LST test, can be seen that the application of sulfuric acid with different concentration has significant effect of kimalaka seed germination. The average percentage of the germination of plant germination can be seen in the table 1. In the table 1, we can see that the high percentage of germination we get and the sulfuric acid concentration 8%. The percentage of germination was 61.10, and the low percentage of germination was in the sulfuric acid 0% on concentration, and the percentage of germination was 20.83. Variable parameter plant height, we see that based on the result of analysis of variance at the age of the plant of 5 to 8 week after planting, it was found that the treatment of sulfuric acid with the different concentrations on the plant height parameters, variable parameters, show a significant effect. The average plant height can be seen in table 2. You can see in the table 2 the high average kimalaka plant height we get in the 8% sulfuric acid uh, at the 5 week after planting. Also at the 6 week after planting. Also at the 7 week after planting, and the final at the 5 weeks after planting. And the higher plant height we get in the 8% sulfuric acid concentration, namely 7.98 centimeter. And the last one, the number of labs in the strands based on the analysis of variance, it was found that the treatment of sulfuric acid with different concentration had effect significant effect on the number of leaves of the kimalaka plants. We can see table 3, the average number of leaves we see the height average number of leaves we get at the 88% the concentration of the sulfuric acid, and the average number of the leaves, namely 114.6 and 6. The discussion of the results, we can say that the result of this study are supported by the statement of Smith, which they state that the strong acid are very effective in breaking dormansi in seeds that have a hard seed coat structure. Uh, According to Dalton, soaking the seeds or immersion of the seeds in the sulfuric acid solution will damage the seed coat. This damage to the seed coat is followed by the opening of the cells, then channel water into the seed tissue, which will stimulate faster seed germination and growth of the seed after the seed can uh, germinate. Conclusion: the sulfuric acid treatment with different concentration had a significant effect on the germination percentage, plant height, and number of leaves. The treatment with the best effect was obtained at the 8% sulfuric acid treatment, and the lowest treatment effect was on the control treatment. Uh, Finally, until here, that I can explain to you about our results of study at the topic breaking dormancy of seed kimalaka. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.